Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am gonna show you how to download and install MS Office 2019 for free. Open Google Chrome, type get into PC Microsoft Office 2019. Head over to the first link, scroll down, click on download. Download will start in 10 seconds. If it not started, click on download again. You can see below download has been started. I am gonna cancel it because I have already downloaded it. Extract the downloaded file. Open Office, click on readme. You need to download ISO, mount it or extract it. I have already extracted it, so I'm gonna close it. Open my computer. You can see DVD drive. Click on install. Virus threat has been stopping it. Turn off the virus threat protection. To do that, type Defender. Open Windows Security. Virus and threat protection. Manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection. Click on install. Select the required files you want to install. Select Insider because it is free. It will provide you regular updates regarding Insider program. I am gonna unmark this Project Pro and Visco Pro. I have already installed OneDrive. I am gonna remove it. I have Skype in Windows apps. I am going to unmark it on Install Office. It will take time to install. You can see notification installation is finished. Now close everything. And open Word. Select blank document. If you want, you can sign in. I'm not going to sign in now. Close the sign in window. Now click on File. Click on Account. You can see product activated. If you like this video, hit like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.